This is the ENOMIR Smart Watch for kids that comes with 2 screen protectors. There is no subscription needed and there are no GPS tracking, calling, texting, or camera features. But it's got full health and fitness tracker capabilities, a sleep monitor, alarm clock, hydration reminder, a few built-in games and watch faces to choose from, and of course a free Very Fit parent app to keep an eye on everything. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look because my girls are loving it. Screen protector and installation kit. The magnetic USB-A charging cord, no wall plug included, 24/7 live support, and a 12 months warranty card, user's manual, and the super cute kids smartwatch. This is the purple. They also have it in blue. This right here is where it's gonna read through your child's wrist to get the biometrics and stuff. And then here is where you're going to magnetically charge it. So easy. Let's peel this off. That's your function button on the right. So charge it first. Turning on to charge. Oh, look at that. It came 99%, so we can go ahead and set it up. The user's manual goes over how to set it up and get it paired and everything in a few different languages, so it's really easy. Here's the QR code to download for iOS or Android. Each watch comes with 2 screen protectors and 2 wet and dry wipes and 2 dust collecting stickers. And then on this is your instructions. TPU clear, so this is not glass. And it's made for the Apple Watch Ultra. Interesting, so I guess they have the same size screen. It is like in 2 parts. It's really interesting. Watch the installation video if you want to get it done right, but they do have 2 in case you mess up the first one, which is great because you just might. This is not like your regular cell phone screen. These are very, very thin TPU, but it will help protect it from getting scratched or nicked. It kind of moves to wake. You can also press here. They can scroll right to see activity, calories, minutes, hours, running. They can monitor their sleep. Swipe down for other stuff. Watch faces so they can change. Ooh, and there's a haptic vibration you can feel. You can turn that off though, so they can change. This is helpful, especially in my case. I have 2 girls wearing the same color watch, so they can choose a different face, and that way that if they take it off, they can quickly figure out whose is whose. There's a flashlight. It's not super bright. It's not like a flash, like a camera flash, but that's gonna help a little bit. You can tell it when you're drinking water, and you can also have it remind you to drink water. There's an alarm. You can set, ooh, that's great. Oh my gosh, every day, weekdays, weekends, etc. Let's turn that off. We don't want the alarm to just go off on me. Battery, you can turn on power saving mode. Games. Ooh. There are games. That's great. When they ride the bus or they're in the car, they can just play games. Digital maze. How do I get out of here? Exit, yes. Wow, so many games. Exit, yes. Racing. I don't know how to play. I gotta learn how to flying bird, hitting moles. Go back. This is so easy to use. Night mode. Device won't ring or vibrate for notifications except alarms. And raise to wake will be disabled. That is nice. There's your Bluetooth notification. There's your battery. This is turning on or off the wake gesture. So if you want to have it only turn on when they hit the button, you turn it off. Turn on the wake gesture if you want that to work. Oh, wow. It is so great. The battery life on these is great. They can go several days, a week even, without charging. It depends how much they use them for gaming and stuff like that. It's really easy to manage devices through the app. For example, I've got both of my girls' watches and my own watch that I'm managing through the Very Fit app. So you can switch through the devices and kind of look over each one individually for steps and sleep and heart rate and all the stuff that you're trying to track. I love these. My girls love wearing them. They kind of feel like an Apple Watch. They have that look, so they feel really like grown up and cool wearing them. We're really happy with these and know you will be too.